Gonna go ahead and show you here how to wash your tent with Nick Wax Tech Wash. Washing up my Nemo Dagger. That's after letting it soak 10 minutes. That water is pretty gross. Filling it up for the first time here. Gonna let it get a good rinse. Soak it. Did this twice. Here I'm draining it for the second time. I'm going to fill it up one more time and use a TX Direct by Nick Wax. It's a wash-in waterproofer. Going to dump it in there and get it all agitated around. Let it soak for 10 minutes, drain, give it one more good rinse.